Well, today and every day since September 15th, we've been celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month.
As a fine arts school, we explore the rich culture, history, and traditions of the Hispanic and Latin communities through art, music, dance, and storytelling.
So studying the impact that some of the artists have made from Hispanic backgrounds, the music, the dancing. And so it's really important that our students see themselves too in the arts.
Through these activities, we not only learn about Hispanic culture, but also celebrated diversity and creativity that makes our school and community so special. 18.3 million people living in Guatemala.
Islands in the North Atlantic Ocean.
Costa Rica.
I came to school here when I was young, and also my family, grandparents, sisters. Yeah, it's a tradition to come here to Holladay. So it's very important for them to remember where they came from, where their ancestors came from. Hopefully go home today, ask their parents more about their Hispanic heritage, even if they have any or not.